Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the middle mouse button. This often overlooked button, typically found as your scroll wheel, offers a surprising array of shortcuts to boost your productivity. It's a simple yet powerful tool that can significantly streamline your computer interactions. We'll cover its fundamental functions and explore how it can make your daily tasks much easier and faster. Get ready to unlock a new level of mouse control. When browsing the web, the middle mouse button is incredibly useful. A single click on any link will open it in a brand new tab, keeping your current page open. If you want to close an open tab, simply middle-click on it, and it will disappear instantly. Furthermore, pressing the middle button on a web page activates auto-scroll, letting you navigate long documents hands-free. These actions save you many clicks and precious seconds. Beyond web browsing, the middle mouse button shines in various software applications. In many design and CAD programs, it's essential for panning around your workspace or rotating objects with ease. Some operating systems, like certain Linux distributions, even use it for quick pasting of selected text. Always check your favorite software settings, as many programs offer custom functions for this versatile button, enhancing your workflow significantly. To truly master the middle mouse button, explore customization options. Many mouse manufacturers provide software that lets you remap its function, assigning it to a different action or even a complex macro. You could set it to open a specific application or perform a series of keyboard commands. Investing in an ergonomic mouse with a well-placed middle button can also improve comfort and accessibility. Experiment to discover how this small button can make a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.